Yo, check it out. I remember when I first got my hands on some turntables, man. It changed everything. DJing ain't just about playing records, you know what I'm saying? It's a whole vibe, a culture that's been evolving since the days of block parties in the Bronx. We started with vinyl, mixing beats, and creating that hip-hop sound that took over the world. Now, let me break it down for you. We got all these terms like beats, bars, phrases, BPM, and tempo. That's the real deal, the backbone of what we do. And the tools? Man, we've come a long way from just 2 turntables and a mixer. These days, we got CDJs, controllers, and software that can do things we never even dreamed of back in the day. But at the end of the day, it's all about reading the crowd and telling a story with the music. That's what separates the real DJs from the wannabes. You feel me? I am DJ Book. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more DJ content.